And you're like, yeah, it's typical. Oh, that's what I started.
I thought it was gonna be a
dying.
separate
I started
mask.
laughing. Oh my god, it's two fabrics. I'm like,
This is the best purchase. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nova Does Cosplay, and on today's episode I have another unboxing video for you. This one is yet another spider suit, but I plan on using this one for a black cat spider type thing, and I'm pretty excited about it. So if you are as excited as I am, stick around. This bodysuit only cost me $18. So this will be a great find. I'm excited to add it to my cosplay wardrobe collection. So here's where I found the listing on Wish. The pictures looked fantastic, and the pictures haven't really steered me wrong quite yet on Wish, so I was willing to take a gamble on this. Now some of the reviews talked about a smell, but overall they were 4 and 5 stars, well worth the investment. All right, I'm ready. Let's go. So here it is, the spider suit. I'm pretty excited. This is another one that I got off of Wish. All right. Crinkly. All right, from looking at it, it is typical Wish quality. Pictures made it look like it had more depth, but now this is standard Wish product. Well, never mind. It looks like the mask is already on this. So I will be putting this on and putting a wig on top of it. That's fine. Like, look, this zipper goes all the way from the back of the head. That goes all the way down. But it's okay. I can make this work. I can do this. I got more power to me, right? Other than that, it's got some good stretch to it. Oh my God, this is 2 different materials. Okay, so the spider web part on top is one material, and then this down here is a completely different material. To prove the authenticity of this, come here. This is Kristen from Affliction Cosplay. Feel this is 2 separate materials.
it doesn't only look different, it feels different.
It's 2 different materials.
This one's thinner and shinier, and this one's kind of like a sports spandex.
You're so gonna be able to see my butt all the way through this. This wins. This is great. Again, the zipper test, very important part of this. Does it smell though? I have to. You know, it doesn't smell. Some of the reviews said that it smelled. It doesn't really smell. It smells like a costume. I am really excited to put this on, so let's put it on and see how it looks, because this is going to be quality stuff, I can already tell. Minus how fabulous I look in this. This has been the single greatest purchase I have ever made off of Wish. Maybe it's the floppy hands. Or maybe it's the floppy armpits. Or maybe it's the fact that I have to wear this mask this way. Maybe it's the fact that my ass is completely visible in the back of this. Damn it! Regardless of all of that, I am not upset. I see this as an opportunity to create and to grow. And to be perfectly honest, these eyes are sliding all over the place. I'm not mad at it, because I can make this better. I will be better.
It's already brought so much joy.
Exactly. In like the 20 minutes I've been walking around the house like this, I have brought so much joy to the room, to the vicinity, to everyone here. So I hope I bring you joy. So now we're gonna show you the full thing and let you make your own decisions. All right, so here is the full body suit in all of its baggy glory. So we know the zipper works. It technically fits, but it's 3 different shades of black and like 2 different materials. But the important thing is, can we do the Spider-Man squat without it busting through the seams? That we can do. So we have squatability in this costume, which means that there is potential for it to grow beyond the baggy hands and bat wings of this costume's death. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, make some costume suggestions for things you want me to get off of Wish, and we'll make it happen, because that's what we're here for. So thanks guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what it is. Okay, that's it.